Good morning, welcome to week 2, day 2, continuing the theme of time. Okay, we thought we'd begin with a quick recap on how to tell the time by counting minutes past the hour, which is what we're concentrating on for these few days. So, we can see we have, reminder, on an analogue clock, a circular one, we have two hands. The shorter one is the hour hand, the longer one is the minute hand. So we can see that the black hand, the hour hand, is just past the 12, so something after 12 o'clock. The minute hand counts the minutes past, and that moves quicker. So it counts the minutes past. Now you'll notice these are in groups of 5. We haven't got room to write all the numbers on, so we're going to write them, we put them in groups of 5. So we count from 5 to where the blue hand is, and that will tell us the time. So that's so many minutes after 12. Pause the video, check them with an adult and tell them the time. Moving on, we'll go over this side. Similar exercise, we have an analogue clock. We can see the hour hand is pointing just before the 11, so it hasn't quite reached 11 yet, so it must be 10 something. It's counted past all these minutes past, and we can see that it's 45. We count on and point to where that blue hand is pointing. That tells you the time. So that's 10 something where that blue hand is pointing. Try and work that out and talk to an adult. Now these two clocks. Again, an analog clock, the circular one, and probably most of you are more familiar with being able to tell the time from the digital. That's a digital clock. You notice again the minutes are written around the outside in blocks of 5. So you can see this is just past 12. And how many minutes past 12 is it? You decide. Is that then therefore the same time as this? What's different and what's the same about those two clocks? Are both telling the time? Have they got the same time? How can we tell what time of day it is really? Talk to an adult. Two exercises here. Sorting the times is the first one. Now, what do we know about the days? On the PDF, you have the first page points to morning and afternoon, being AM and PM. So you need to sort the times, there's 12 times into morning and afternoon. The AM times will come first, and the PM times will come second. The answers will be on the next page. Pause and have a go at that first. Secondly, I want you to change those into 24-hour format. So how do we do that? If we had an example over here, give you an example. 3:17, that's not in that list, but 3:17 AM would be written as 0317. We always use 2 digits. 11:36 is 11:36. AM becomes 11:36. Now, what do you notice about this time? 4:45 PM and 16:45. What has happened there with these two numbers? Yes, we have added 12. So for afternoon times, remember, we add on 12, and this confirms this on the next page. 9:24, I would add 12 to get 21:24. As a reminder, that is written on the next page, the rules. Have a go at first, ordering those, and secondly, converting all those into the 24-hour format. It will show you on the PDF the explanation and the answers. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.